There you go. Its face done. Mama, can I close this now?
Yes.
Oh,
You put it there.
you have to not waste water, Mama.
Yes. What will happen if you waste water?
We will not take a bath, Mama.
See? That's right. Ang galing ng baby ko ay ng kuya Ina.
I'm gonna wash the back. Not with no. But it's the one. It's the one from sabon, Mama. The
Both
green,
sides.
both sides.
Yeah. Yung hard to remove na dirt, you use the green side.
Yes.
For the easy to remove na dirt, you use the yellow side.
Easy, Mama. I want the easy one. The
Okay.
easy is in the back,
Yes.
and the not easy is in the front.
Okay.
Done.
Why do you think
Which
kids?
one? Which one should I drop, Mama? That's this one or this one? Which one should I drop in here?
Of course, the sponge.
Oh,
Why do you think kids need to help in washing the dishes?
because
Why?
they have to help the grown-ups.
Because they need to help the grown-ups.
I will tap on water to the sponge.
Okay.
There you go. Done. Well, can I put it in the gallery plate too? There you go. Now I
What's
want
next?
sabon. Mama, I forgot to sabon the cup.
Okay.
So can they sabon now?
Sure. You need to open it. Because how can you sabon the inside?
I'm gonna sabon around and around and around on the back too.
Okay.
It's the back design. Oh. I will take a bath later, Mama.
Sure. Why? Because you are already wet?
Yeah, because pag nag-wet ako, I will change na.
Okay.
You.
Good job.
You.
What did you say?
You.
What does it mean?
And it means if yourself or something fell, say you. Oh.
You can do it later. You sabon all the all the spoons and forks. You sabon them first, anak.
Okay.
Just put it there. Okay. Yan na muna yung knife. But you have to be careful, okay?
I want to sabon these for you, Mama, so you can use it.
Is that Mama's?
Yeah, so Mama, can you help me with the rest?
No, you need to do it all.
Because I cannot, because when they get tired, you have to do it for me.
Oh, when you get tired. Are you tired now?
No, Mama, now I need you to help, but I need you to help me, Mama, because I'm going so slow. Can I hold that
Just
much?
control the water, okay? Just enough.
I will dry my hand so my hand so I can wash the rest. That's why I'm drying my hand with the water. There you go. Put it in the dollar beaker. Now I want to do this for you. Nope.
Ang galing naman ng kuya.
But I knew the rest will run out, Mama.
Huh?
Mama, can you help me because I need you to help me.
You're almost done. You can finish it.
A little bit left that I didn't wash.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So I can do it on my own.
Yeah. Very good. Does it make you happy if you're helping in the chores? You know.
No video, Mama. No safe food in the bathroom or in the kitchen.
Why?
Because the safe food might get wet.
Oh, that's right.